Hello everyone. Hope you all have subscribed my channel. Today I am going to share insights about cyanobacteria. The cyanobacteria are the prokaryotic cells. They first appeared about 3.5 billion years ago. The fossils of cyanobacteria are called stromatolites. Stromatolites are rock-like deposition of carbonates and trapped sediments. Here you can see the cyanobacteria where you can see the thylakoids, the cell wall, the ribosomes. The cyanobacteria are photosynthetic and aquatic, and so they are also known as blue-green algae. The blue-green algae, that is cyanobacteria, are heterogeneous groups of photosynthetic organisms. They are widely distributed in fresh water and they occur as members of both plankton and benthos. They range in the size from 0.5 to 60 micrometers. On land, cyanobacteria are common in the soil down to a depth of 1 meter or more. Here you can see the cyanobacteria. The cyanobacteria lack membrane-bound cell organelles like chloroplast, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body. Cyanobacteria have internal membranes. These are flattened sac called thylakoids. These thylakoids contain photosynthetic pigment chlorophyll A, xanthophyll, and phycobilins. They contain various carotenoids, the blue pigment phycocyanin, and in some species the red pigment phycoerythrin. The blue-green algal forms can be of the following type like unicellular, that is Glyocapsa crucoccus. The colonial forms are nostoc, Phanocapsa, and the filamentous form, for example, Oscillatoria. Here you can see the cyanobacteria. The cyanobacteria consist of heterocysts, which are thick-walled and they are impermeable to oxygen, and they are often used in paddy fields, which eliminates the need of application of nitrogen fertilizer. Here you can see the heterocyst, which is thick-walled. Now the asexual reproduction. The cyanobacteria has reproduction by endospores, by fragmentation, harmogonia formation, akinete formation, and binary fission. The movement in cyanobacteria occurs by gliding and by swimming. The most common nutrient limiting the production of agricultural crop is nitrogen. Cyanobacteria, that is blue-green algae, are used as biofertilizers, which increases the fertility of the soil and production of paddy. The species with biofertilizer potential are Heterocystus filamentous form, which belong to the Nostocales and Stygonematales. Some of these cyanobacteria form blooms. Many ponds become green color due to the overgrowth of cyanobacteria. This is called algal bloom. The algal species Trichodesmium erythrum causes the red color of the Red Sea. Cyanobacterial blooms are especially common in the polluted water, and the cyanobacteria contain certain toxins which, if consumed along with the drinking water, causes headache, nausea, fever, stomach cramps, diarrhea, abdominal pain. Now the symbiotic association of the blue-green algal forms. Here you can see the symbiotic association in lichen, which is by the formation of algae and fungi. In azolla, which is the water fern, you can find the Anna vina is present in the dorsal lobe of the leaf. This is the lichen, and here in bryophyte also there is symbiotic association. In pteridophyte also in azolla there is symbiotic association, that is cyanobacteria, which is Anna vina is found here. In the symbiotic association of gymnosperm, we can see in the coralloid root of cycas, the algal zone is present, which consists of the nostoc colonies. Thank you.